80% of the total emissions are from the tourist industry, and 4.56% of that is from the tourist transportation system. Tourists always spend a lot of money on transportation systems, and this is not good for the environment. Hello everyone, we are the group The Cartco. Our theme is tourism, and our problem statement is make tourist attractions self-sufficient and carbon neutral or environment friendly. I am Vishnu of class 7.
I am Pawan of class 7.
I am Tejas from class 7.
Upon research, we have found that there are 10-seat pedal cars in United States of America and the United Kingdom. But there are no medium-sized pedal transport system in India yet, and we hope to be the first ones to implement a medium-sized pedaling vehicle. We found that pollution has been increasing in tourist areas due to vehicle emissions. Rented cabs and autos are available to travel within tourist places, but they are expensive and also add to the carbon footprint. We took a survey to analyze the problem faced by tourists and local people in tourist places. We went to the Mysore Palace and the Mysore Zoo to interview residents and tourists. We collected a total of 30 responses. Our survey results showed that the pollution caused by the vehicles in tourist spot is a huge environmental threat, and the traffic caused by tourist vehicles was a nuisance to the local residents. This led us to make a medium-sized pedal cart.
Our model is a miniature prototype for showcase. The materials we have used for making the model are chassis from a robotic kit, particle boards, aluminum synchronized gear, and belt, pulleys, thread rods, and some mechanical tools. The height of our scaled-down model is 1.72 feet and the width is 1 foot. We used a synchronous geared belt in the rear wheel and a pulley thread mechanism placed in the middle part of the cart. The steering in the front wheel will help users turn the vehicle. We used dynamos attached to the rear wheel to generate electricity. The electricity generated by the dynamo is sent to a rechargeable battery. The pedal cart also has roof-mounted solar panels which will also generate power and charge the battery. The electricity generated will be used for lighting the pedal cart. The pedal cart has headlights so it can be used in the night as well. We explained our solution to the tourists and local residents. 82% of them were happy with our solution and said they were willing to use it.
We have made a hybrid cart that can be pedaled as well as use renewable energy. This facilitates for the users to take a rest for a while and use electricity to move around. Electricity can also be used when the terrain is difficult for pedaling. We have 4 seats that have the pedal drive and 2 seats for the elderly or disabled or children who are unable to pedal.
We learned to assemble steering and pulley and conduct research. We enjoyed the journey of making the project. We picked up a lot of new skills like handling mechanical tools, sketching 3D designs, and building mobile parts.
Thank you.